Quarterback Cam Newton was released from the New England Patriots, but he seemed resilient in an Instagram story. NFL quarterback Cam Newton, 32, took to his Instagram story on Tuesday, August 31 after news broke that he'd reportedly been cut from the New England Patriots and would be replaced with rookie Mac Jones, via ESPN. Cam assured fans that he would be totally okay. Even though he doesn't want people to worry about him, the player still showed fans that he appreciated the love. In his signature, bizarrely charactered font, Cam wanted to let everyone know that he'd be fine. "I really appreciate all the love and support during this time, but I must say, please don't feel sorry for me," he wrote, before including the hashtag I'm good. Cam ended his story with a reference to the American Sign Language symbol for "I love you," by breaking down the gesture. "One finger, one pinky, one thumb. Love," he wrote, and included the emoji to go with it. Cam was signed to the Pats for the 2020 season, after longtime quarterback Tom Brady was signed to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Unfortunately, New England ended the season with a 7-9 losing record. It was also the third time since 2000 that the Patriots didn't make the playoffs. Related gallery. New England Patriots 2019 Victory Parade, pics.